buddies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and yes, today's video is on summer essentials because summers are already in and we need to take care of ourselves, isn't it? So let's quickly see what are these summer essentials. Guys, for my convenience, I have divided the items in two important groups. So first one is for the people who do not prefer doing makeup, and second one is for the people who love doing makeup. The first item, which is common for both the group, is water. Increase the water intake capacity. If you're drinking 1 liter, increase it to 3.5 liters every day. That's really essential. It's going to take care of your digestive system. It's going to keep you hydrated for the whole day. It's going to take care of your toxins. It's going to flush out toxins. It's going to make your skin look healthy and fresh and beautiful hereafter. So drink more water. Sounds boring, isn't it? How can we drink so much of water for a day? So here goes my first tip. Buy yourself some fancy and pretty looking bottles. I know it's crazy, but it has really worked on me. I bought some beautiful looking pieces for myself, and somehow it keeps me motivated, and I really feel that I need to drink more water. Just have a look at my bottles. So look how pretty this is. Somehow it inspires me to drink more water. Guys, changes are always beautiful. Keep changing. Somehow it's going to bring more difference for you. Try it and let me know. The next tip is add some flavors for your water. Don't add sugar or salt. There are other flavors available. You can make it for yourself. Whatever flavor I have prepared for myself keeps me fresh for the whole day, takes care of my digestive system, most importantly has cut my cholesterol, and the third one is it has killed the urge of drinking tea and coffee on everyday basis. That's an yay for me. Well, moving on to the second essential, which is again common for both the group, is sunscreen lotion. No matter in what season you are, it's essential that you use a sunscreen. You can use a sunscreen of SPF 15 to 20 during winters and rainy, but during summers you require a sunscreen lotion which is having 40 to 50 of SPF, having a broad spectrum, because that's really going to protect you. Guys, you need to know something, that prevention is better than cure. Once you get tanned, you're going to look 2 to 3 shades darker, and trust me, it's going to take more than 6 months for you to come back to your original color. That's why protect yourself using a sunscreen. So I'm using 2 sunscreens. So this is by Lotus, having SPF of 50. This I use for my hands and feet, and this is again Suncross SPF cream or sunscreen having SPF of 50, which I use it on my face. Both have worked beautifully on me. Moving on to the next item, which is again common for both the group, is aloe vera gel. Well, no matter however you try to protect yourself, at least little exposure you would have got from UV. So whatever little damage has been caused, it will be taken care immediately by aloe vera. When you come down home, just wash your face, clean it up, and use aloe vera. Slowly it's going to correct the damage, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't use sunscreen. Aloe vera is just a spot treatment. It's going to correct whatever little damage has happened. Along with that, it suits your skin out for the night. So use aloe vera gel. If you're having a plant, it's well and good, or else buy some commercially available product. I'm using Patanjali's aloe vera gel, and it's really good. The next item, which is again common for both the group, is tissue paper. Sounds different, isn't it? Well, this is pretty looking thing. I have seen people using handkerchief for the whole day. Same handkerchief, they keep on rubbing it on their face. I don't know how do they do that. Well, guys, don't do that, because you will wipe it from this side, left side, and use the same piece on the right side. You're going to just transfer the bacteria from one side to another sides, and you will have lots of pimples and other problems. Avoid using handkerchief. Use tissue papers, because they are safe and clean and disposable. That's even going to take care of your makeup. It doesn't move your makeup, but it will absorb all the sweat and whatever oils which has been produced on your face. Moving on to the next item, which is deodorant. Use something which is alcohol free, which is skin friendly. So I prefer Nivea whitening deodorant. This is 0% alcohol, having licorice extracts, which will keep my underarms in a better condition. Next is very important, using good shades. Now shades will always take care of your eyes. Use it, because eyes are really precious, guys. Now moving on to the next item, which belongs to the group of the people who love doing makeup. So once you are prepped your skin with moisturizer, always use a primer. So this is my primer from Party Studio HD. The function of primer is to take care of the oils or shine which is produced on your face due to sweating. So your makeup won't move once you apply this. Then you need to go for the next step. So the makeup will stay on your face for longer period of time, and whatever oil or shine which has been produced of late on your face, it's going to take care of that. It's going to block it, thereby there will be no sweating or no oily particles will be seen on your face, so which is an E. The next item after using this is again the same old sunscreen. Whatever I have repeated, you have to follow that. Use sunscreen after 20 minutes. So you need to always give 20 to 30 minutes of time for the sunscreen to get set in your face. So after 20 minutes you are free to go outside, or you can use any other product. So use the foundations or creams which are waterproof, so that is going to take care and last long. Even though you will sweat, the makeup won't move. After doing makeup, you're going to use a makeup setting spray. So this is from Dr. Rasheel, which I'm using. This is a spritz bottle. Just spritz it on your face. Your makeup will stay for longer period of time. Trust me, it will stay like 8 to 10 hours. It's not going to move no matter however you are going to sweat. So this is an very good product. You need to definitely try it. So after the end of the day or in between, when you feel irritated due to heat and you just want to go home and grab some face wash and wash it hard so that everything comes out, isn't it? So here goes my one another product, which is Kama Ayurveda's Mrudul, which is soap free face wash. This is, or face cleanser, this is a powder. So you can just see how it looks like. It's a herbal powder made of some medicinal plants, I guess, or herbs. You need to just take a scoop of it, mix it with water and apply it on your face and rub it the way you rub your face wash. It's going to take care of all the gunk, oil, particles and everything. And the most important part of this Mrudul cleanser is it's not going to make your face oily, nor you will feel dryish. So that means there is no need of applying anything. You can stay home without applying anything once you wash your face with this. So you will feel very fresh and clean. So that was all regarding my summer essential, which is required for you or for me, for everyone, to protect themselves from the harsh sun rays. Now the last thing which I feel is really important is keeping yourself like popped up and decked up, isn't it? No matter what color dress you wear during summers, you feel irritated, you want to go for plain looking dress, boring dress, you can definitely pop up the whole look by just adding a pop of color to your nails. So I'm using Nykaa's cherry pop color these days. Look how beautiful it looks. So it's an orangish shade, it's a matte color. It entirely changes your look. Wear some grayish looking dress or some white dress, add this color, it's going to take care of the whole look. So that's all for my today's video. I hope this video will be super beneficial for you and you will follow that so that you can keep yourself fit and fine for the whole season. Keep smiling, drink loads of water, be fit, and yes, take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.